Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one program in C, and that program will find sum of two numbers, and obviously to find sum of two numbers we will be inputting. Now target of this program is to understand how to do input in our program. So to understand that practically, let's open our code blocks. You can also run this program online. If you're mobile apps, then you can download mobile apps from your computer, I mean that Play Store, uh, and just you can run that. So let's open it. So here is code block. So let's open new file. So first is command line. So let's save it. I'm saving on desktop. Let's give a file name sum.c, save, and after that, so in previous program we discussed that actually to find sum of two numbers we have to declare some variables, and suppose in this program we are going to find sum of two integer numbers. So steps need to be like this. Declare two variables a and b as an integer data type. If we are going to use integer, then to input values 3, find the sum using sum equals to a plus b, and store in variable sum. Fourth step, print sum. So this is a step we can follow here. We are taking both the variables as an integer data type, so we have to declare that. Not only that much, to find sum of numbers a and b, we have to use this formula, and to store sum of two numbers a and b in this sum, we have to declare this sum as well. So how to go for that? So let's take here example, int a, b, and we need sum. So let's give a message that enter two numbers. After that we use scanf. Two numbers are integer, so we are using %d. Once again %d, and here is a and here is b. So give the formula a plus b. After that printf sum equals to %d sum, return 0. So this is how we write the program, and I will just modify somewhere and I'll show you practically. So first of all, what we need here, we need two variables to input our data a and b. We can consider a, b, c, x, y, z, any other variable. Next is there we have to input values of a and b. So to input values we use one function, that is scanf. And stores its memory. Now we are going to use we are going to input value of a and b, and a and b they are of integer type. So what we have to do there, in previous video I had told you that actually for integer type of data we have to use %d to store in memory, and to fetch that data from the memory we have to use this %d. This %d, it stands for decimal number and it stands for integer. So we are using here this %d, it is for this a, and this %d, it is for this b. Since we are inputting data for a and b, so we have to use %d and %d. So I think you understood it. And next symbol we are using here, this is here, actually this is called, I'm just zooming in, we have used this in English. It is called ampersand. It is called ampersand and it is used to store our data in particular address of memory. This, it is called ampersand and it is used to uh, store our data whatever we input there in particular address of memory. So why we have to use it. Now one question can be there, if we don't use this one, will our computer store that data in memory? No, it will not store. It will accept the data what we enter there, but actually it will not be able to store in particular address of our memory. So it is helpful to store our input data in particular address of memory, and this is for a, this is for b. We can see here, and for all the variables we have to use this ampersand. And this is how we can use this scanf. Scanf, it is a function to accept input from our users, and this scanf, it exists inside this stdio.h. This scanf, it exists inside this stdio.h. So I have used stdio.h, and this scanf is very popular to input our data, maybe for numbers or maybe for strings or the characters. So we have finished inputting, and after that we have to give the formula because computer doesn't know the formula. So give the formula sum equals to a plus b, because our data is stored in this a and b. So give this, and after this our data or the output is stored in this sum named variable, and this sum, it is of type integer. So what we have to do there, once again, to display the output stored in this sum, what we have to do, we have to use this %d to fetch data from the memory, and after that, since the value is stored in this sum, just use this variable sum. So this is how we can also about the this program. So I'm just going to compile it. So compiling process is going on here. So 0 errors, 0 warning. Now let's run it. So now enter two numbers, it is asking there. The first number we are inputting, it will be stored for a. So I am giving 32. It will be for a variable because we have written here first a, and after that press enter, and Next value we are going to input for B. So just give any one number, which way you like. 13 I am giving here. So sum is 45, we can see. So our output is 100% right. So this is how we write the program using input. So it's very simple, and same program we can also write in different way. Like suppose we can also write this program as enter message. We can write enter the value of A. So we can write first A. So just put only A here. After that we can write here printf enter the value of B. We can write scanf in two places, %d, and after that B. So writing two variables A and B in same line, and writing this scanf for first A variable and writing scanf for variable B, it is same. So first of all, what happens, this message will get displayed on the screen. You have to input A, and after that this message will appear on the screen. I'll show you output, and again you have to input for B. After that, as usual process goes on there, like finding, and after that display. So it's very simple. So I'm going to once again compile. After that run. So we can see here enter the value of A, it is asking. So I'm going to give you a 5. I just press enter. Now it is asking enter the value of B. I'm just inputting the 1 to 12. Enter. So sum is 17. So this is how we can input our value in this C program. So this is the second method we can apply here, and this is also right, and the previous what I showed you, that is also right. So in this way you can go input and we can write the program to find sum of two numbers where the numbers we have to input. So I think you understood. And suppose if you want to change this integer to float, then you can change. I'll show you this program in next video. So this is how we can understand the inputs in our C program. And now one thing is there, one question can be in mind that suppose if we want to display the numbers we have input for this A and B. So how to display that? We can put one line here, the sum of A and B is. Now what we are doing there, we want to display whatever is value is input here and input here, we want to display that. So to display that, once again, since we know that actually they are of integer type, so just you put %d there. Like we want to display value of A, just you put %d for A, %d for B, and this is for sum. Again, since this value, this specifier, format specifier we are using for variable A, just you put A, and it is for B, just you put A comma B. Now this A, it is for this specifier, this B, it is for this specifier, and this %d, it is for this sum. So if you write your program in this way, it is fine. If you write the program in the previous way we discussed there, it is also fine. So how we write it does not matter, your program will be right. It will be 100% right and it runs. So I want to show you this program practically, just build. compile this file, and after that it is compiling. Just run it. Now it is asking into the value of a. I want to show you both the screens. So I'm inputting 2. Now again it is asking b. So just input there 5 and press enter. Now we can see here, you can see here the value we have input here 2 and 5, they are being displayed here is 7. So this is how we can write the program to input our numbers. And next video I'll show you some more techniques to write same program. I think you understood this program. If you have any confusion, any dilemma, any doubts, just write your comments, write your doubts in your comments box. I'll solve that. If not, I'll make another video on that. Thank you. Stay positive, stay blessed.